Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off on body detection smart lock in our Samsung S22. Where to find this option and how to turn it off. Of course, we need to go to settings, then lock screen, and here we have our smart lock menu. We need to go here, input our super secret password, and here we have on body detection. Right here, as you can see, it's turned on. What does it do? We have a little explanation at the bottom. After you unlock your phone, it stays unlocked while it's in motion, like when you are walking with it, etc., up to 4 hours, until you put it down. To turn it off, we simply tap it once, and now our on-body detection is off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.